All right, y'all, so I just got the M1 xTool sent to me. Really, Riley? So now I'm just gonna show everything that came with the kit that I have, and I'm also gonna have the kit down below so you'll know the exact one that was sent to me. It also comes with these little triangular prisms. I didn't know what they were at first, but they're used to lift up your stuff if you're engraving or cutting with the laser. So to set this machine up, I used this video, and I'm gonna link her video down below because she did a good job of explaining how to set up everything, and she also did like projects and she compared some of the materials and stuff like that. I am laying these on top of the prisms. I'm gonna close it. The cool thing about this though is it takes a picture, so it comes on the screen. So I love that part. So you don't have to worry about like making sure it's right in the center of a mat or anything like that. Also, as you can see when I turned it on the back, that it did not go through all the way. So I'm guessing it's just all about playing with the settings and getting them right. I will be doing a video on my YouTube, and of course it'll be on here too, of other projects that you can do with the machine. So you guys stay tuned for that.